Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do the second chapter of our English course book, that is The Little Bird. Children, this story is all about a little bird who has entered a house. One day it was raining and the little bird entered the house. The little bird was trying to move out from the house. Suddenly, the children opened the window and the bird moved out and it was very happy flying in the sky. So, children, what do you learn from the story? That freedom is important for everyone. Everyone loves freedom. Thank you, children.